Welcome to my channel, Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Learn Well Smart All-in-One Textbook, Standard 2nd. Lesson number 6, Known Personalities of India. There are some Indians who are famous for the work they have done for India. Learn about these personalities. Identify these personalities with the help of given clues. Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. Sarojini Sarojini Naidu. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. NARENDRAMODI. Narendra Modi. SQDN LDR Rakesh Sharma, astronaut. RAKESH Rakesh SHARMA Sharma. Baba Amte, social worker. BA AMTE Baba Amte. Manoj Kumar, film actor, director. MANOJKUMAR Manoj Kumar. E. Sridharan, Metroman of India. SREEDHARAN Sridharan.